What's up? It's Rosaku Gaming, your semi-daily gamer. Today I'm up with a new log episode because I've been driving my gas car. Yes, gas, like fart car, for a few months right now, and I just want to show you how exciting is actually to fill up the gas car, the gas tank, because that's something very strange on the first time to do it. And there are few tutorials on the internet which are showing you how to fill up the gas tank, and yeah, this video will be one of those, and I will show you how fantastic and how or different kind of procedure that actually is. So let's go and fill up this baby up. Okay, we're here in the CNG station, so let's go and fill this baby up. First, open this. There it is. And we see the green light. Press start. As we can see, the procedure is pretty simple when you got to know that, and then you just have to wait for a few minutes when it's filling up. It's still pumping, the light is red, so we can't take it out really. The light is now green, so we can take this off. Just turn, open the lock, and pull the other lock, put that back into place. Tightly, stays right there, cap on, done. As you might figure out, it's a bit different than a regular gasoline filling up, so hope you learned something, hope you find that interesting. If you did enjoy that, please consider to subscribing, because I might do more stuff like this. And like always, stay tuned for scenes for more stuff or something. Have a great day, have a great night, and good morning. Bye bye.